Let's solve the following set of equations using determinants. So we find delta, which will be the determinant of, we use the coefficient of x, y, and z. So we have 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, minus 2, 5, 4, minus 2, 5, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We are going to expand what we have here using row 1. This row 1. Let's assign the sign there, plus, minus, and plus. So help us find the cofactors. So we are going to have equal to, plus 2. Ignore this column, ignore this row. What we have? 5 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Then minus 2, which is simply plus 2. So we have 4 minus 2, 3 minus 3. Then we have plus minus 1, which is minus 1. Ignore the column here, ignore the row here. 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4. So let's continue. This will be equal to 2. What do we have in here? 5 times minus 3 is minus 15, minus 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Then plus 2. So let's check again. This minus 15 minus, multiply this way, minus 8. So what do we have here? Multiply this way, we have minus 12 minus, multiply this way, you have minus 6 minus 1, multiply this way, you have 16 minus, multiply this way, you have 15. So let's check what we are going to have from here. So this, let me do it here, it will be equal to whatever we have here, 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 and here. So minus 15 plus 8, minus 15 plus 8, which simply means 8 minus 15, and that will be minus 7. So 2 times minus 7 plus 2. What do we have here? This is plus 6. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6 times 2. Let's just put minus 6 here. Then minus, what do we have here? 16 minus 15 is 1. To simplify, we have minus 14 minus 12 minus 1. So what do we have here? Minus 14 minus 12 is minus 26. Minus 1 is minus 27. So minus 26 minus 1. So delta is what? Minus 27. So okay. So now let's find the value of delta x. That will be determinant of. So we are going to use the numbers we have here to replace the coefficient of x. So we are having 3 minus 3 minus 7, 3 minus 3 minus 7, then continue, minus 2, 5, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right? So that will be equal to the same thing, plus, minus, and plus. So we'll have, let's expand again using the row 1. Row 1, that's to say we have plus 3 or simply 3. Simply 3. Then we'll have, ignore here and here. That will be 5 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So we ignore, where the 3 is, ignore the column and the row. Then we'll continue, minus, minus, that's plus. So plus 2, plus this 2, ignore the column and the row. We are going to have minus 3, minus 2, minus 7, and minus 3. So ignore here and here, minus 3 minus 2, minus 7 and minus 3. So we're going to have this next one, that will be minus 1. Plus and minus is minus, so minus 1. We'll ignore the column and the row. So what we have? We have minus 3, 5, minus 7, 4. So let's play. We have 3 here. Multiply here, you have minus 15. Minus, multiply here, you have minus 8. Plus 2. Multiply here, you have 9. Minus, multiply here, you have 14. Right? Then minus 1. Multiply here, you have minus 12. Minus, multiply here, you have minus 35. So if we do it again, we have equal to 3. What do we have here? This is 8 minus 15 minus 7 plus 2. What do we have here? 9 minus 14. That will be minus 5. Right? Then minus. What do we have here? 35 minus 12. 35 minus 12. That will be what? 20 what? 23. So minus 23. Any issue with that? So that would be multiply minus 21 minus 10 minus 23. So minus 21 minus 10 is minus 31. So minus 31 minus 23 is minus 54. Right? So that will give us minus 54. Meaning that the value of change in x is minus 54. So we're going to find change in y. Let's find change in y. That will be the next thing we'll find. Change in y. Change in y will be equal to, replace the coefficient of y with what we have here. So for now we have 2, 4, 3. No longer this, but 3 minus 3 minus 7 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Right? So that will be, we expand again using row 1, plus, minus, and plus. So we have 2. Ignore this column and this row. What we have? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 7, minus 3. Right? Good. Bam, bam, out. So we have minus 3, minus 2, minus 7, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. So we have minus 3. Ignore the column and the row. What do you have? We have 4 minus 2, 3 minus 3. Bam, bam, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 3. Then we have plus minus 1, which is minus 1. Ignore the column and the row. We have 4 minus 3, 3 minus 7. We continue. This will be 2 times. Multiply this way, we have 9 minus. Multiply this way, we have 14. 9 minus 14 minus 3. Multiply this way, we have minus 12. Minus, multiply this way, we have minus 6. Minus 1. Multiply this way, we have minus 28. Minus, multiply this way, we have minus 9. So if you check, that's what we are going to have here. Right? So from here we have 2. 9 minus 14 is minus 5. Right? Minus 3. what do we have here? We have 6, this plus 6. 6 minus 12 is minus 6, minus this 9 minus 28. 9 minus 28, right? So what do we have? Minus 19. Minus 19, right? So what do we have here? Minus 10, multiply, you have plus 18, and you have plus 19. Let's do that. This is let's say 19 minus 10, that will be 9. 9 plus 18 is 27. Or 18 minus 10 is 8. 8 plus 19 is what? 27. So our change in y, delta y, is 27. Then we find the value of z. So we are going to change the coefficient of z to what we have here. To have 2, 4, 3, that will be change in z. 2, 4, 3 minus 2, 5, 4. Then we have no longer these ones, but 3 minus 3 minus 7. Right? So change in z will give us, let's expand using the row 1. Is plus minus plus. So we have 2, ignore, that will be 5 minus 3, 4 minus 7, right? Ignore, 5 minus 3, 4 minus 7. This plus 2, ignore, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 7, plus 3. We have ignore, 4, 5, 3, 4. So what do we have as delta y? Delta, that's change in z, right? Delta z will give us 2 multiply this way minus 35 minus multiply this way minus 12 plus 2 multiply this way minus 28 minus multiply this way minus 9. Then we'll have plus 3 multiply this way 16 minus multiply this way 15. So if we play for that, we'll have change in z will be 2 will multiply, this is 12 minus 35. 12 minus 35, right? And that will be 23. That will be negative 23 minus 23. So we have plus 2. What do we have here? 9 minus 28. That will be minus 19. Right? 9 minus 20. Then here is plus 3. This will be 1. Right? 1. So change in z will be multiply, what do you have? Minus 46 multiply minus 38 plus 3. So change in z will finally be equal to minus 46 plus 3 is 3 minus 46, which is what? Minus 43. So we're having minus 43 minus 43 minus 38, right? So that will give us a minus 81, minus 81, minus 81. So change in Z is what? Minus what? 81. So we can now find the value of X, value of Y, and the value of Z. X will be delta X over delta, which is what? Minus 54 over minus 27, which is equal to 2. So Y will be equal to delta Y over delta, which is 27 over minus 27. That's minus 1. Then Z will be what? Delta Z over delta, which is minus 81 over minus 27, which is equal to 3. Therefore, X equal to 2, Y is equal to negative 1, and what? Z is equal to 3.